In this video, I'm going to show you how I mount a Rode microphone boom right on the desk. We're going to use this mount. So this is the Bosch paddle bits. This is the Rode receiver. And I just need to make sure I choose the right size paddle bit. This is the paddle bit I'm using, 15/16.
I got it.
Just up.
Act like not getting me. Hold on. Okay, you got it. Bring it up and unpack.
Alright, so on the Rode microphone boom, there's a receiver part for the cable. And you can give you a velcro. The microphone is this?
AT-1035. Yeah, I don't understand like hookup stuff.
Alright, so John, would you do it? Make sure you check out. Also doing whatever.
Oh my god. What? This is John to do it. We're finally done working on the mic stand. I've done a lot of other videos on Johnny's music studio, especially the crown molding lighting video. If you want to check that out, it's got like a million views. I'm pretty cool for that. And that's about it. So check me out, hit that sub button and that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to me. Just hit that.
Thanks, everyone.